18 Best Foods That Will Keep You Fuller Longer Than Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a fantastic food, really, but there are a lot of other foods that will keep you fuller longer because they have more protein, more fiber, or more healthy fat. All of these things slow down digestion and help stabilize your blood sugar, which means you won't get hungry as quickly. So let's jump right in. First up, we have eggs. They're packed with protein and healthy fats, making them a perfect choice for anyone looking to feel full and satisfied. Next, we have Greek yogurt. It's high in protein and also thicker than regular yogurt, which can help you stay full for longer. At number 3, we have cottage cheese. It's another dairy delight that's high in protein and contains slow-digesting casein protein, which will keep hunger at bay for hours. If you're looking for a savory option, try chicken breast. It's a lean protein source that's very filling when you pair it with some veggies. Next, we have lentils. They're a fantastic plant-based protein source and also high in fiber, which makes them ideal for those seeking fullness. Alright, so at number 6, we have tofu or tempeh. These soy-based protein sources are not only versatile in the kitchen, but also very filling. Now let's move on to some high-fiber options. At number 7, we have chia seeds. These little seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, which can increase fullness. Next, we have avocados. They're not only delicious and creamy, but also loaded with fiber and healthy fats. At number 9, we have beans, black beans, kidney beans, any kind will do. They're rich in both protein and fiber, making them an excellent choice for staying full. Quinoa is a fantastic whole grain alternative. It's a complete protein and also rich in fiber. Next, we have sweet potatoes. They're a bit higher on the glycemic index, but the complex carbs are paired with fiber, which slows down digestion. Alright, so at number 12, we have Brussels sprouts. These little cabbages are low in calories, but high in fiber, making them very filling for the amount of calories they provide. Now let's explore some healthy fat and slow digesting options. At number 13, we have nuts. Almonds, walnuts and other nuts contain protein, fat and fiber, which can help curb hunger. Next, we have nut butters. Peanut butter, almond butter, any kind will do. They're great in moderation for adding satiety to your meals. At number 15, we have salmon. This fatty fish is not only a great protein source, but also rich in omega-3s, which can support fullness. Now for the cheese lovers out there, I have a treat for you. At number 16, we have hard cheeses. The combination of protein and fat is a match made in heaven for curbing hunger. Next, we have olives. They're not only a delicious addition to your diet, but also packed with healthy fats that will keep you feeling full. And last but certainly not least, we have dark chocolate. Now I'm talking about 85% or higher dark chocolate. A small portion can satisfy your sweet tooth and reduce hunger hormones. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you. And if you're still unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional or a dietitian for personalized guidance. Thank you for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe, share or like to support our work. We wish you happy and healthy eating.